In this video, I am going to show you how you can add a sheet inside Apple numbers document. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first, we need to open a Apple number documents. This is one of my Apple documents, sample documents you can say, and there are multiple sheets are there. Now I am going to add a new sheet. To add a new sheet, we have to move our cursor over this plus icon. Once we move over the plus icon, our cursor, we just need to click here and it will create a new sheet. And by default, when you open a new sheet, some table will be appeared. We can delete it and we can add our own table later. So here I see a new sheet added. Now we can click this table anywhere and we'll see a circle. Now we can drag, and if we don't want the sheet, we can simply select from here and delete it, and later we can add table or something whatever you want you can add. Suppose for adding a table, we just need to click this table and then we have to choose on table, for example this table, and it will give us this type of table. To rename the sheet, we just need to right click. After the creation of the sheet, we just need to right click, and then there is option rename, and there is another option you can double click and it will highlight it, and now we can rename it like new sheet. And that's it. In this way we can easily add a sheet inside Apple numbers.